financial news and data terminal has often been a shorthand for markets activity, but this is under pressure like never before. With me to talk about it is David Craig, President of Financial and Risk at Thomson Reuters. David, welcome. So, what exactly is happening in your market now?
Well, thanks, Philip. It's a really exciting time to be in the market. We've seen for many years now three big forces, kind of a perfect storm coming together: more regulation, economic challenges, new technology, bringing together a whole set of changes which we've been building around our platform strategy for this. I'd kind of summarise it by four big things. One is big electronification of the marketplace across trading, which we can see here. From the change between these two charts, you see it very clearly. That's a 4-year trend that will continue. Electronification of trading, not just the front office, but through middle and back office, but also electronification of analysis, investment strategies, portfolio management, and the like. Connected to that too is this shift of risk responsibility in trading from sell side to buy side. Buy side firms are having to do a lot more work. Cross-asset class trading, risk management, best execution and compliance. That's a big shift as well, so that's changing the landscape. You're seeing
an explosion of data here.
Well, exactly. I mean, I remember on the Brexit day we distributed 30 billion data updates in 24 hours. It was an extreme day, but that's the kind of volumes we're doing. It was running at 10 million at peak, but a petabyte of data a day is what we're collecting, a massive creation and demand for data going around the world as a result of this. Which really is kind of an opportunity and a problem for many customers in the market. How do I get hold of this, manage it, make sure it's secure, safe, and use it in the right way is becoming a real differentiator of how they operate.
And this is all going to humans, or how much of this machines now?
Well, we crossed an interesting Rubicon June in 15 where we found that we've got more customers who are machines than are humans. We've got more revenue coming from the machine side than humans. Doesn't mean the terminal and the desktop's not important, but it clearly is a sign of things to come. I asked the team, well, how do we manage customer loyalty when our customer is a machine? Well, of course, you have to nurture, develop the developer community, the technologists, and deliver APIs and open capabilities like we have done on the platform that helps them to do that.
So what's the terminal of the future, if you like, going to be? Is it going to be a terminal?
Well, to me, I think you're seeing convergence. You're seeing a terminal, if you like, that traditionally was quite closed, quite locked, has to be much more open now, has to have third-party data in it, your data has to connect to other applications. We've got customers who are now building inside the terminal to incorporate their workflow, and I think you're seeing a convergence between the data world and the APIs and the technology and the terminal world, like a human augmented by machines is the model that we see going forward.
And the acid test, will that actually mean cheaper data?
Well, there's a lot more data. It would seem like it's cheaper to send it around the world, technology costs are decreasing, but the opposite effect is this is kind of balkanization of data privacy, data security, cyber. I think one thing we're trying to do is make sure that we get the scale of data delivery right. We've got 9,000 partners on the platform. And to get to the customer, the customer's got firewalls, they've got security, they've got compliance. We're trying to lower the cost of that by doing it once, doing it at scale, and providing the analytics and capabilities that they need to get hold of that data in the ecosystem. So those two opposing forces are working in that way. For our customers, they're spending more on data, but they want better analytics. They recognize that that's the secret to a better investment strategy. We're hoping to help them lower the cost of that access and that capability with all the data sources that are out there.
David, thank you very much.
Thank you.